Welcome to Honors Geometry, Lesson 9.3, Reflections. It's the next transformation that we'll talk about. A reflection is a transformation that flips a figure in a line of reflection. The green line, the green dotted line, is the line of reflection, and the pre-image is mapped onto the image. And what happens is the distance from B to the line of reflection is going to be the same distance from B prime to the line of reflection. So each point, it's going to be like when you draw all the line segments connecting the pre-image and image, that line of reflection will be the perpendicular bisector of each of those black segments. So that's what's going on there. Each point will be the same distance away from the line of reflection. Okay? Reflect triangle ABC in the line y equals 2. So let's go ahead and draw a line of reflection up there. Y equals 2 right here. There's your line of reflection. Alright. So each reflection point is going to be the same distance, but on the other side of the line of reflection. So A here, it's 3 spaces away from the line of reflection. So on the other side, 3 spaces away, there's A prime. B prime is only 1 point or 1 space away on the other side. There's B prime. C is 2 away. C prime will also be 2 away. C prime. So your triangle A prime, B prime, C prime will have a reflection that looks something very similar to that right there. Okay, that's how you reflect a line. How about instead that the line of reflection was, whoops, I didn't want to do that, sorry about that. I'll tell you what, I'll pause it. I'm going to change that equation. I'll be right back. How about if it was the line reflect that line reflect that triangle in the line y equals x. Okay, that line would be something like that. So A is 1 diagonal away perpendicularly, so A prime is right there. B prime is 1, 2, 3 diagonals away. 1, 2, 3. B prime is right there, and since C is right on the line of reflection, C prime will be on the line of reflection. Whoops. I don't think I want that for the sides of a triangle. There you go. Okay, when you flip that triangle over, it ends up landing partially on top of itself. Okay, line of symmetry, also in this section, has kind of what to do with reflections. A line of symmetry is a line that cuts a figure so that it will reflect or fold upon itself. So in this picture here, is that a line of reflection? Can I flip this over and have it fold upon itself? No, that will not fold upon itself. Instead, the lines of reflection would probably be on a rectangle. Right there, you could fold that upon itself, and you should also have a line of reflection. I know, nice line right there, and you could flip this over on top of itself. Those would be lines of reflection. Okay, how about this isosceles trapezoid? There would be one line of reflection right there. On this arrow, one line of reflection right there. How about on this isosceles trapezoid triangle? Wow, sorry. Maybe I should try that again. And maybe I shouldn't. There would be one, which would be the altitude from the vertex angle. I didn't draw that real well. Alright, how about this isosceles triangle should have, well, any regular polygon should have a number of lines of reflection equal to the number of sides. So since this is a regular triangle with 3 sides, it'll have 3 lines of reflection. Okay. One other thing that I did want to tell you. Okay, last lesson we did translations. Right? Okay, it's got S and L in it to help you remember that it's a slide. A reflection has an F and L in it, whoops, to help you remember that it's a flip. Alright, this will conclude Honors Geometry 9.3 Reflections.